Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original. We on the Android because I'm uploading a video on my iPhone and I just had to, I was just thinking. So I was thinking like, why do we appreciate the historic period of human time so much more than a prehistoric period? Now, a lot of people might not even care about this because y'all don't appreciate your ancestors. Now, I was really exposed to some shit. Like I've been exposed to a lot of shit, bro. And it's just my time to tell y'all what the fuck I know. Now, one thing I was exposed to as a black man was the Indian culture. Really the Hindu culture, right? And every time I learn something, every time I'm exposed to something new about the Hindu culture, it just blow my mind, and I just be thinking like, why do we appreciate, the historic period, like with these Roman, like with our settlers, with these conquests, you know what I'm saying? These people that literally came and murdered and, you know, flipped the script. What you call them? Ain't they settlers? That's another word for them niggas, bro. It's another word for them, but them settlers, man. The people, them invaders, the raiders, like we literally believe all of their story, like, you know what I'm saying? And now, it's more possible for us to learn about this shit. I know before, it's conditioned. It's like conditions. Like you gotta understand there was actual laws in place for, black people, people of color. You couldn't even read or write. It was laws in place in the United States when the settlers, the invaders, they all came. And for a period of time, we forgot. Like, we literally forgot all of our history. They burnt all of the books. These niggas did everything so we could forget, so we wouldn't remember the truth. They whitewashed shit. They motherfucking killed essential people with the knowledge that we needed to talk to. You know what I'm saying? They done burnt books and libraries and destroyed artifacts so we can't really see, the full picture. But the thing about Hinduism and ancient Indian culture is, although, some of it did get damaged, a lot of it is well preserved. And it's so mind blowing, like seeing the fact that these niggas was using ancient machines. Now, you could be the most advanced scholar in the world, the most advanced architect. If you see some of the temples I've been exposed to and I've seen through Previ Mohan, like, shout out to Previ Mohan. God bless that man. Because what he doing is so powerful that, it's a lot of people on his wave. It's about 600,000 plus. I think he got about 700,000 people subscribe to his channel. But the research this man is doing, man, like, it's so much advanced technology, so much shit that was left behind. And you just look at these people and they just look like you. Like, you just see these people on these walls carved in these temples, and you see something that look like you, and then you see something with such a level of architecture, and the way he explaining how we create all of these stones, like how they was cutting this stone, and using advanced technology to cut these stones, like diamond cutting tools, like machine tools. They cut in stone. In today's time, we would need big machines and computerized machines to cut these same stones. And we talking about the prehistoric period. We talking about the period that they can't put a date on. You can't put a date on the pyramids. You can't put a date on Indian culture. Not for real. Not for real. Because it's certain temples where they got motherfucking carvings of dinosaurs, and they saying this temple was made 1,000 years ago. They don't know nothing, man. They don't know shit. And when I just be exposed to this, and I think about like all of these, like just how time was recorded, like how they fed us this bullshit of this little timeline of 3,000 years that everything just poof happened, and it was just like, you know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers was here for millions of years. They literally found a skeleton in Ethiopia that's millions of years old. How the fuck is these niggas only here for 3,000 years? Like, somebody lying to me. Somebody is lying to me. And when I study all of this shit, you gotta just go on my page. You're probably like, why is this nigga even talking about idiot culture? These motherfuckers came to me through a dream. So it's a lot of y'all people out there, you know what I'm saying, that's untrained in the mind, that you would have a dream about something, like you would know something about somebody, but your dumb ass would just keep going. Like, you would keep going, like you already had a dream, this motherfucker gonna snake you, and you woke up, you too cool to be conscious, so you like, that's a fucking dream, that don't mean nothing. Same motherfucker snake you, you done fucking had deja vu, like, damn, I swear I knew this shit was coming, cause you don't pay attention. So all of this shit, like this Hinduism shit, this Indian, like, man, it's just a lot I'm learning, and I'm letting y'all know, man, that, man, it's a lot that they lied to us about, man. It's a lot that they lied to us about, and they got y'all thinking that this white motherfucker created the universe in its entirety. Boy. They you know how much murder, you know how many books they had to burn, you know how many people they had to kill, you know how many people they had to hang from trees so you don't remember who the fuck you are. Man, this shit is so deep to me. This shit so deep to me. These niggas was literally here millions of years ago. You know what I'm saying? Even Africans, they been, you know what I'm saying? They been came to the Americas and Mexico. It's a natural current. Like, if you leave from West Africa, it's a natural current that'll take your ass to the Bahamas. It'll take your ass to South America. It'll take your ass right to America. And that same current will bring your ass right back to motherfucking Africa. You know what I'm saying? They have boat. They been knew how to make boats. You know what I'm saying? They been knew way before Columbus. Columbus ain't find nothing. Columbus ain't find nothing. You know what he did? He planned, plot, and strategized and took this shit over. That's what they did. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing they did. He came and saw this shit, and it went back to the queen like, I can get in. I can get in. And she sent that nigga with boats and started the motherfucking slave trade. The same people that gave us this Roman Catholic religion of Christianity. The same people, y'all believe in this white man. Like, I would never, like, I can't take the image out of my head of seeing somebody, hanging from them trees, man. I can't take the image out of my head. You can't take the image out of my head. You can't, tell me all of this shit. I can't see all of this advanced technology, from these ancient cultures, the prehistoric period, which nobody want to talk about, which nobody represent, which nobody, believe in, everything. Oh, that shit is the devil. That's how they trick you, bro. That's how they trick you. You know what I'm saying? I never fall for that trap. I never believe that, because it's a reason. It's a reason why, you know what I'm saying, they don't want us to know. They don't want us to organize and be in unity and figure this shit out. But the first shall be last. The first shall be last. And I just want to let y'all know that it's coming a time where a lot of people gonna wake up, and a lot of people gonna understand, like, you know what I'm saying, we've been lied to. And genetically, You know, something gonna happen in our DNA where everybody just see it at once. It's gonna happen at once. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna wake up because it's the principles of the universe. Like the belly of the beast, the evil people, they have to run it now. It was their time. It was literally their time. Is That's how order is formed in the universe, right? That's how order. If it was all good, it would be no need for order. It has to be chaos. That's what y'all have to understand. Like you gotta embrace the chaos because it's light at the end of that tunnel. It's 12 hours of darkness. It's 12 hours of light. And y'all gotta understand that it's an even playing field. And these motherfuckers on the 12th hour. You know? And I just want people to be prepared. Like a lot of people are not gonna even be ready for the shift. A lot of people ain't gonna make the shift, but the people who are prepared just know it's the 12th hour on these niggas. And it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up and just be exposed, man. Like I just been exposed to so much. As I can't even hold it in. I can't even hold back no more because it's like I know there's people out there like lost, and I really can't. No matter how much I give y'all, I really can't change nobody's mind unless y'all feel me on an emotional level. Like you can connect with what the fuck I'm saying. So it's your boy Yon World. We about to upload this video. I got some more videos for y'all coming, but I just need to talk to y'all. Like, man, I've been exposed to some shit, like through the dream world, through even YouTube and just the channels I've been able to find. Like some shit I be asking, like, why me? Because I'm like a normal ass nigga, like, but it's like once you blessed with all this knowledge, you get responsibility. Like for me to know all this shit, I can't just hide it. I can't just not tell y'all. That'll be defeating my mission, defeating my purpose. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.